open this.
We're going to open. What is that?
Monster truck remote controller.
Wow. Can you show what? Can you show me what is inside?
It's a monster truck and the
What
remote.
is this? And remote.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey! Who? Let's open it. What is this?
Slowly, slowly.
It is the remote controller.
Okay, show to the. What can it do?
This is for the wheels you can move
Show it, show it.
from here.
Okay, now
Okay.
let's get the car.
Very hard to get the car.
Eh, slowly. Wow.
There, the car.
Whoa. Turn it on.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you play the car, the monster truck?
So, this.
This is you have to turn it on.
It's
Whoa!
moving.
Let's go. Let's play.
Let's play.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.